Hey Dutchy crew, my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to cook in these Belly Pork Lollipops on the Ninja Woodfire grill. Here we've got just 4 pieces of belly pork. This is store-bought belly pork. And we're going to be using Angus Oink's The General. We'll put a link in the description below where you can buy this. We're going to leave this rind on. We just need to cut this rind, which will enable us to roll these up into the pinwheels. We're just cutting through the rind and the top layer of fat only. Once we've got all them cut, we're going to go on with the General. I'm going to give these a good copious amount of the General. Like I say, this belly pork can take it. Both sides of this belly pork covered. Just pat it in and make sure it's adhered to the surface, and then I've got some bamboo skewers that have been soaking in water for about 30 minutes because we don't want them to burn. So take the belly pork now and form it into a circle, and then we're going to take our skewers and we're just going to insert them all the way through. It's easier if you go between one of the cuts. That's one of our lollipops ready. Just repeat it on all the others. Just get it out through there. And now these are all ready to go onto our Ninja Woodfire grill. So we're using the Ninja Woodfire grill. We're using the economizer from the Pellet Man, aka me. Apple, which is great with pork. We'll fill our scoop. Or should I say half fill, because we're using the economizer. 25 grams of pellets into the hopper. Get these into the Ninja. Got the smoke setting. Don't know why I'm putting this much time on, because these are not going to take that much time. 160 degrees C, I'm going to hit start. We're up to temperature now, and it's time to get these belly pork lollipops on. Lid shut, and away we go. Now these cook far quicker than I thought they were going to do. That's 25 minutes. And these belly pork lollipops are ready. Well, that was a quick cook. 25 minutes to cook these belly pork lollipops. I think we ought to have a taste. But first of all, just look at the colour on them. Right. The belly pork meat is still nice and soft. The rind, so a taste. Yeah, it's got a crisp to it. Probably just lower the temperature a little bit, cook it a little bit longer, and then turn up the heat at the end. But for me, these are definitely a winner.